Day 3, guys. And you can see we're still pretty covered here. We're supposed to get up into the 40s. Ooh. Ooh. So did we get into the single digits last night? This is Jill with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, cooking, recipes, and a little bit of everything. No, we did not. We got down to 20 degrees and everything is still pretty frozen solid, as you can see out here. The road is looking a little bit better, and I think that if we can get out of our driveway, which I don't think we can right now, that it will start to crumble and melt today. We were supposed to get up into the 40s. Now, we did get in the 40s yesterday. And the only thing that really melted, though, was what was on the roof. Nothing else really started to melt here. We live on roads less traveled, understandable, but I was a little surprised to see this morning that they were saying kind of close to our area we only got 1 inch. We got way more than 1 inch, guys. We probably got about 2 or 3 inches of ice. So it's going to take a little bit of thawing out. Now here's what our driveway looks like. Guys, that's solid. My truck is not going to get out of here anytime soon, but we need to try to get out earlier in the afternoon. We'll see how quick this stuff melts. Look at this. So the best part of all of this is we did get some moisture, and as it melts slowly, it will seep deep into the ground, which we desperately need. But let's go around the high tunnels and let me show you what's going on. My onions are looking really, really well, and I'm glad because it was getting, I think it got down to 28 in here last night. So it wasn't really a hard freeze in the high tunnel. And guys, by this afternoon or here shortly, this high tunnel will probably be in the 80 degrees easily with the sun out. Spinach is looking delicious. I can't wait to dig into some of this. Super calendula. Guys, look at this. This is my calendula, and it has just continued to prosper through this whole winter time. And so has my lavender in this tower of power along with my rosemary. We still have some beautiful celery growing. I have some radishes and some carrots. And over here we have more celery. We have some lettuce greens, some onions. We have some garlic in there, and we have our magnolia tree. You can hear it dripping in here, the condensation from inside the high tunnel from where it was warmer on the inside than it was outside, and it's starting to drip down. Now, guess what I'm seeing? I'm seeing either some rabbit damage or some rodent damage on my turnips. Don't make me happy. So what's on the agenda for today? First off, got to get in there and do a little bit of laundry and clean the house, but we're going to be doing some more seed starting because we are now in February, and we usually start planting in these high tunnels probably around mid-March, where we can control the temperature a little bit more. So we are going to start some more tomato seeds. We're going to start some more pepper seeds. I'm going to start some lettuce seeds and some more greens because I want to get a jump on spring harvest and summer harvest. It won't be long, guys. I'm going to go in there also and get on to Baker Heirloom and go ahead and pick up some seeds. If not for this year, not for this spring, maybe for the fall, because we want to keep this thing going as long as we can and get as much food as we can due to the world situation, which at times is deeply concerning. We are just living in such a time right now that you simply cannot believe everything that you're hearing, whether it's true or not. You just simply can't believe all the all the world events and what's going on. And, you know, so many people out there talking about terrible times coming ahead. Is that really going to be true or not? I think that we are going to have trying times. My goodness, look at the last 2.5 years so far. We've already had deeply trying times, and our losses have been great for many of us. You know, every time I log on to Facebook or something, I see where somebody else's mother or brother or sister or child or dad has passed away. And sometimes, guys, it's just simply overwhelming at the loss that we have encountered in the last 2 years. So, but the Lord tells us that we are to keep on living, and we are to keep on planting, and we are to keep on sowing and reaping, and just living our lives and looking out for our neighbors and looking out for each other and our families, and that's what we intend to do. So the sun is certainly brilliant today and will trick you into thinking that all is well outside. It's not, at least not yet. Our little doggies are just dying to get outside. They want to come out and play, but you can see it's just solid ice. We can't take the chance on letting them stay out for very long because honestly, we're afraid that they'll start running or something and break a hip, and we can't even get out of our driveway right now to get them help. So we're going to hunker down for another couple of hours and get some things done on the inside, and then we're going to start on our spring gardening seed starters and just getting ready and planning. So you guys, thank you for watching us the last couple of days. We appreciate all of you. We love all of you, and thank you for all the updates. Many of you have given me great updates, and I'm so thankful for them because we love to hear what's going on in your world and in your area. So we'll be in touch. Take care. God bless. Take care, take care, take care, and be warm.